Hey, what's up, family? Welcome back to Smashing Goals, the place where we turn setbacks into comebacks and dreams into reality. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button because this channel is all about helping you level up financially, mentally, and in every area of your life. And for my returning subscribers, you already know what it is. Thank you for rocking with me. Now, let's get into today's topic because if you're in your 40s and struggling financially, I've got some real talk and real solutions for you. Let's go. All right, listen up. If you're in your 40s broke and feeling stuck, I need you to hear me loud and clear. You are not done. Don't care what mistakes you made, how much debt you got, or how far behind you feel, you still have time to turn this around. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it step by step. I know life didn't go how you planned. Maybe you lost a job, maybe you made some bad financial moves, or maybe life just hit you hard. But here's the deal. Broke is not a life sentence, it's a situation, and situations can change. The key is knowing what to do next and actually making the moves to fix it. So today, I'm going to break it all down, the mistakes to avoid, the steps to take, and the mindset shift you need if you want to go from struggling to thriving. You ready? Listen, I know what it feels like to be struggling in your 40s. You look around, bills piling up, bank account looking low, and you're wondering, how did I even get here? But let me tell you something, it's not too late. You still got time to turn things around. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. First things first, you got to face the truth. Sit down, write out your income, your bills, your debt, all of it. I know it ain't fun, but you can't fix what you don't face. Next, we're going to cut out the nonsense. That's right, no more wasting money on things you don't need. Those subscriptions, that daily $7 coffee, yeah, it's time to let them go. Now, here's where it gets real. You got to bring in more money. Don't care if it's a side hustle, a second job, or finally using that talent you've been sitting on for years, it's time to stack that paper. Then once you start making more, you need to build yourself a little safety net. An emergency fund is like a parachute. It'll save you when life decides to push you out the plane. And look, I know some of y'all are thinking, I'm too old to start over. Let me stop you right there. That's a lie. I don't care if you're 40, 50, or 60, you can still make moves. That's why we're going to talk about planning for the future. You need to put your money somewhere it can grow, even if you're starting small. But the most important thing, you got to change your mindset. You are not stuck. You are not too late. You just need to believe in yourself and start making better moves today. Now, let's not just talk about these steps. I want you to see how real people in their 40s have turned things around. One, assess your financial reality. The first step is to face your finances head on. I know it can be uncomfortable, but avoiding it only makes things worse. Take James, for example. He's 43, recently got laid off and felt completely stuck. But once he actually sat down and wrote out all his expenses, he realized something. He was spending $250 a month on things he didn't even need. Streaming services, takeout, random impulse buys, all draining his bank account. Once he cut those out, suddenly he had extra money to work with. That's the power of knowing your numbers. Two, cut unnecessary expenses and reduce debt. Once you know where your money is going, the next step is cutting out the waste. A lot of people think they don't have money to save, but the truth is, it's probably hiding in your budget. Maria, a single mother, thought she was stretched too thin, but when she reviewed her expenses, she found she was paying for a gym membership she never used. That's $50 a month gone. She cancelled it, started working out at home, and used that money to chip away at her credit card debt. And here's the best part. She didn't stop there. She called her credit card company, negotiated a lower interest rate, and now she's paying off her debt even faster. A few small moves made a huge difference. Three, increase your income fast. Now, cutting back is great, but let's be real. You can't just save your way to wealth. You need to make more money. That's exactly what Chris, 47, realized. He was barely making ends meet, but instead of sitting around feeling defeated, he decided to take action. He started driving for Uber on the weekends, and within a month, he was bringing in an extra $500 a month. But he didn't stop there. He realized he had skills he could monetize, so he started offering online consulting. Now his side hustles are covering his bills, and he's actually getting ahead. That's the kind of mindset shift that changes everything. Four, rebuild an emergency fund. Let's talk about getting a safety net in place. Because when life hits you with an unexpected expense, the last thing you want is to reach for a credit card. Tanya gets it. She started small, just $20 a week from her side gigs and cutting back on small expenses. 6 months, she had $500 saved up. And guess what? When her car broke down, she didn't panic. She didn't swipe a credit card. She had the cash to handle it. That's what financial security looks like. Start small, but start now. Five, plan for the future and retirement. I know some of you are thinking, it's too late for me to start saving for retirement. Let me stop you right there. It's never too late to start making smart financial moves. Look at Robert, 42. He thought he was behind, but instead of giving up, he started putting away just $100 a month into a Roth IRA. It's not a huge amount, but here's the magic: compound interest. For time, that small investment is going to grow into something big. The key isn't how much you start with, it's just getting started. 6, mindset shift and taking action. And listen, none of this happens unless you believe you can change. A lot of people stay broke because they think they're stuck. Karen, 45, used to think the same way. She told herself, I'm too old to start over. But then one day she realized that mindset was holding her back. She started budgeting, looked for better job opportunities, and within a year, she was in a completely different financial position. See, the moment you decide to change, things start falling into place. So if you're in your 40s struggling and feeling like it's too late, I need you to stop that thinking right now, because it's never too late to get back on track. Hit that subscribe button for more real talk and financial motivation. Drop a comment below. What's your biggest financial struggle right now? Let's talk about it.